Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PhoenixNAP for VPS platform onboarding, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in the PhoenixNAP website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed. Fill in the required information in the registration form. Input your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the confirmation field. Read through the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click the Create Account button to finalize your registration. You will receive a verification email shortly after creating your account. Open your email inbox and find the verification email from PhoenixNAP. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This action will redirect you to the PhoenixNAP dashboard. Once on the dashboard, log in using your email and password. After logging in, you may need to complete additional verification steps. Provide any necessary identification or business documents as requested. Next, navigate to the VPS section from the main menu. Select the type of VPS hosting plan that best suits your needs. Review the features and pricing associated with each plan carefully. Once you've made your selection, click on Order Now. Configure your VPS specifications according to your preferences. Select the operating system you wish to run on your VPS. Choose any additional options, such as backups or additional storage. Review your order carefully before proceeding to payment. Click on the Checkout button to move to the billing section. Fill in your billing information accurately. Select your preferred payment method from the available options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.